How to add different payment methods on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payments section of your Shopify store, from which you will have some options that you can use to add additional payment methods. So for example, you have this first section in which you can have some additional payment methods using apps and stuff like that. And the second section is the manual payment methods. So let's start with the first one. Click on add payment methods. And here you will have two options basically. You can search by payment methods, say for example, click on it, and you will find single payment methods. For example, Visa, credit card, or Klarna, or Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and stuff like that. So you'll be able to add individual payment methods. If you want to add one, say for example, I want to add Klarna, I will click on it, and it will show you the providers, but I will just go with Klarna and click on activate next to it. And here you will be brought to this information section, and the last section, the account status, you will be able to install the app by click on connect. And once you install the app, you need to activate it by going to their website and link your account to your Shopify store. The second option is you can search by provider, say for example this 2C2P. As you can see, these providers provide a lot of payment methods. As you can see here, over 80 payment methods that you can use, all of them, if you install this provider on your Shopify. And there are a lot of providers that you can use, as you can see here, and the process is the same. Just click on it and just see, for example, click on it and click on activate and install the app, and then link it from their website to your Shopify store. That's the first method. The second method to add additional payment methods is by clicking on add manual payment method. And here you will have four options. You can create custom payment method. You have bank deposit, the money order, and the cash on delivery. Say for example, I wanted to add cash on delivery payment method. I will click on it, and a window will pop up from which you can set up this payment method by adding additional information and stuff like that. And once you do that, click on activate the method and it will be added to your website. It's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add more payment methods to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.